Let me give you a little refresher about drawing in AutoCAD and getting your angles correct. So here you see I've got my dynamic input on. Whether that's on or off changes everything because they do relative and absolute depending on if you've got your dynamic on or off. So I'm just going to do everything with dynamic input on and show you how to do it from there. So here I'm going to hit my line, find my endpoint, and I'm going to set myself up on my 0 line and give the dimension 72 feet, tab, and then I'm going to go, I know that I'm drawing clockwise. I'm set clockwise as positive, but here I know that my relative work is going clockwise for sure. Okay, and so my next one is 354D, 27 minutes and 20 seconds. And because I've got my image on there, I see that it's ending up right where I want it to be. So I've done 2 double checks there. I've made sure that I'm drawing in clockwise positive as I'm setting this, and I see that it ends up in the right spot. So here's another one. Make sure I start in the right spot. There's my endpoint. I set up my 0. 77.45 is my distance. Tab. And now I'm going to drag my mouse so I know that it's measuring clockwise. 20D, 17 minutes, 20 seconds. And it ends up right where I want it to be. And so if I need to, I can draw my property lines right between those. I go, wow, that looked like a pretty darn good. Oops, except I didn't draw it right. Go. Looks like I've got a pretty good survey going. So with my setup, it appears to me that my setup is correct. I'm able to get my backsite reading correct, and I'm able to get kind of a known point correct. The main thing is when you're using dynamic input, that when you draw a line, there it is, get your starting point, get the angle 0 correct, and type your distance, 72.00, hit tab, and then move your cursor so that you know you're going positive clockwise. Then you can type it in. There you go. I hope that helps out.